Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are going to cook a very easy, simple yet incredibly tasty mutton biryani. So without any delay, let's get started. First heat 150 ml of oil on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 350 grams of sliced onion and fry them until they turn golden brown. Then add half kg of meat. You can use boneless meat or you can use meat with bones. I'm using here meat with bones. Mix it well and then fry for few minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and also 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 100 gram of biryani masala. You can easily find biryani masala in the supermarkets. Otherwise you can find a lot of tutorials how to make biryani masala at home. Mix it well and then add 250 grams of yogurt and also 250 grams of chopped tomatoes. Mix well again and then cook 4 to 6 minutes until oil separates. Meanwhile, soak half kg of rice at least for 20 minutes. Now once oil is separated from gravy, add 6 green chilies. You can adjust as per your taste and then 3 cups of water. Mix well and then cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes until meat is tender. Take a separate pot and add 2 liters of water. Then add few cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves and also fresh mint. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt and cover it and let the water boil. Once water start boiling, add the pre-soaked rice. Mix and then boil on medium to high flame. Cook the rice until it's slightly undercooked. When you gently press a grain with your finger, it should break. Here a lot of people they are doing mistake. So be careful not to overcook or undercook the rice. It should be slightly undercooked. We'll strain the rice and set aside until meat is ready. So once meat is ready, we'll start layering. Take separate pot and then add first layer of pre-boiled rice and then add the second layer of cooked meat and then add third layer of again the pre-boiled rice. Then sprinkle the food colors and 2 tablespoons of kevra water and also some fresh mint leaves. Finally cover and steam the biryani on low heat for at least 10 minutes and make sure before serving mix the rice and meat evenly. If you like our recipe, hit the like button, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for future updates. Happy cooking, enjoy your meal, see you next time.